Vanakkam friends, it was indeed a very beautiful week last week. Actually, Nifty and Bank Nifty performed exactly in the line which we have mentioned, but it has performed before the timeline which we have given. We were expecting that breakout to happen on Friday post RBI policy, but the breakout has happened on Tuesday itself, and it has delivered superb number of points in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Let's just review the charts and then move on to the next week levels. This is how Nifty has given breakout on Tuesday, and then it had a one-way rally of more than 200 points, 300 points from its breakout level. The earlier breakout was, high was at 15,965, and it made a high of 16,349 in just 3 days time, which is almost near 380 points to 90 points. Okay, and similarly Bank Nifty, we expected that it will once again retest 36,000 levels. It also touched the 36,000 levels, and in fact it made a high above 36,200 on the result day of State Bank of India, and then it dropped a bit, and closed near 35,809 levels on Friday. So now what we can expect during next week? This is the Nifty daily chart, and as usual I have done a Fibonacci kind retracement kind of stuff. Over here, if you observe, there is a gap area in between Tuesday close and Wednesday opening place. Okay, so there are chances that Nifty can drop a bit to fill this gap. It may or may not happen. I would not say that it will happen. Okay, it may or may not happen. There are chances if this gap area is getting filled, and then it will start its up move once again towards the 16,500 and then 16,666 levels. Believe it or not, Nifty seriously respects fancy numbers. Even in my opening view on daily basis, I used to quote some fancy numbers as resistance or support zones. It will seriously respect those levels. If my guess is correct, Nifty may or may not come and fill this gap, but it will have a one-way rally as long as it is holding the earlier highs. Earlier highs in the sense 15,964 to 65 zones. Until this level holds, we will not see bears coming into picture. It will be a minor consolidation kind of stuff, and then it will be a up move. Like I said earlier, the target was unbelievable in Nifty after breakout. I said during last week, it is like a flag and pole of pattern. Once the breakout is happening, the uh, length, that is the height of the pole will be the target on the higher side, which means 1,300 points gets open from 15,965 levels. I wouldn't say that it will happen in next week time. It may take its own sweet time, but it will definitely happen. Okay, now moving into the levels for Bank Nifty. This is quite confusing. If you see the charts, there are plenty of lines drawn because there are multiple resistance at higher levels. Okay, Now the major support comes for Bank Nifty at 34,125, which is marked over here. Okay, that is the major support, I would say. 34,125 is the major support, and the initial support, the next support as of now from current levels to next support is 35,225. As long as this level holds, Bank Nifty will climb again and have a breakout above this level, this particular level, in the sense 36,000 levels. I don't want to explain you too much how the breakout move will be. We have already seen the breakout move which happened in Nifty during last week. If Nifty makes 400 points after breakout, Bank Nifty will easily do 1500 points. Easily. It will not have any hurdle at all. It will move like a rocket. We will be having a sense that I missed out a very big rally. That kind of move will happen in Bank Nifty, because already all the almost 9 to 10 companies who are part of Bank Nifty has delivered results, their quarterly results. So the worst is behind them, behind Bank Nifty. Only two companies are yet to give results, I believe. I am not sure exactly, but majority of the components have delivered their results, and it's the worst phase is already over. So upon my opinion, there will be a initial hurdle at this trend line, this earlier high, which means 36,508 levels. I have marked over here. You can see it in the charts. 36,508 levels. That will be the initial hurdle. If that particular hurdle is crossed and closed on a daily time frame, gates are open for 37,233, which means 700 points above that particular level. And I would not get surprised if Bank Nifty makes a new all-time high within this August series. So don't miss this Bank Nifty move as long as our supports are holding. The levels which I have said have been marked in the charts. You can see the video and mark the levels in your chart as well, in your trading platform, so that it would be easy for you to initiate trades as and when the levels come. Okay. I don't know how many of you are new to this channel. I have given our Telegram channel link in the description of this video. If you are new to this channel and you are not part of our Telegram channel, you can subscribe to our channel. Our channel will be always active and enough information will be shared on daily basis and even during the trading hours. YouTube video you will get only during weekends, as I don't have enough time to prepare YouTube video during weekdays. If you are a new visitor to our YouTube channel, subscribe and stay tuned with our channel so that you will not miss any of our videos in future. Thank you. Have a good day.